Hello, I'd be happy to provide a brief tutorial on PGP encryption and decryption in simple terms. Pretty Good Privacy is a cryptographic software tool that provides encryption and decryption of data such as emails, documents, and files to ensure secure communication. Here's an example of how PGP works. Suppose Alice wants to send an encrypted email to Bob using PGP. Alice's PGP software generates a random symmetric encryption key and uses it to encrypt the email message. Alice obtains Bob's public key from a public key server or Bob himself and encrypts the symmetric encryption key with Bob's public key. Alice sends the encrypted email and the encrypted symmetric key to Bob. Bob's PGP software uses his private key to decrypt the symmetric encryption key. Bob's PGP software then uses the decrypted symmetric encryption key to decrypt the email message. PGP uses both symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for both encryption and decryption, whereas asymmetric encryption uses two different keys, a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. The components in the diagram are raw file. This refers to the unencrypted data that needs to be transmitted securely. Encryption process. This refers to the process of encrypting the raw file. In PGP, this is done using a symmetric encryption algorithm with a randomly generated encryption key. Public key. This is the key used for encrypting the symmetric encryption key in PGP. It can be freely distributed and shared with others. Encrypted file. This refers to the encrypted raw file. Email or FTP. This is the means of transmitting the encrypted file to the recipient. Decryption process. This refers to the process of decrypting the encrypted file. In PGP, this is done using the recipient's private key. Private key. This is the key used for decrypting the encrypted symmetric encryption key and the encrypted raw file in PGP. It must be kept secret and secure by the recipient. Overall, PGP provides a secure way to transmit sensitive information over the internet by using encryption and decryption techniques. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.